Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, pure hand weaving collections, very exclusive one. So let me display. This one also pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving and beautiful elegant color combinations. This one is full base part transparent pure muslin with golden zari 1-inch highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving jamdani work. This one border portions fully hand weaving, fine hand weaving jamdani work, border portions fully hand weaving work, and full base part is beautiful weaving polka design, and base is white base, contrast to green parrot green pallu. This one pallu portions beautiful one green shade with fine hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu in these sequin stripes design, very smart elegant trendy looks. And this one full base part beautiful jamdani work border, and full base part is weaving polka design, very elegant one trendy traditional looks. This one full base part beautiful one pure white base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive outstanding fresh traditional looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh traditional looks. This one also very beautiful one premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane silver saree border, and full base part checks pattern design and fully kantha stitch pattern checks work. This one full base part silver saree border, and full base part is fine stitching checks work with fine weaving buta design, very nice one. This are checks pattern design, and every checks are fully weaving kantha stitch pattern weaving checks with buta work, very trendy smart looks with contrast color weaving buta highlighted, very trendy one, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane. And this one pallu portions highlighted stripes contrast color with checks and buta highlighted stripes work with beautiful pallu, and pallu in this pom pom design. And this one full base part, very soft comfortable elegant smart look, silver saree border kantha stitch pattern checks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with beautiful weaving buta design contrast color piping, very smart looks. Peach shade, light peach shade with beautiful weaving buta design, full base part contrast colored piping, and this one is full base part fine weaving buta design, very smart elegant trendy looks. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, same buta pattern with stripes highlighted stripes with weaving buta design, pallu very comfortable one premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with beautiful heavy weaving buta work, full base part, very exclusive outstanding smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful weaving work, contrast color border, navy blue base contrast color border, one portion is maroon shade, one portion is yellow shaded with beautiful hand weaving temple pattern design border. This one is highlighted border, and this one is full base part premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful one highlighted contrast color fully weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very soft comfortable one obviously, and fully hand weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very trendy smart looks beautiful one. And this one is a full base part, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, but very trendy one, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh trendy looks. And this one also very gorgeous, also premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful weaving work. Full base part is heavy work, very elegant color combinations, also bright, also elegant one. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable. This one is fine golden zari weaving design, heavy worked full base part. And this one pallu, highlighted stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very trendy, smart, bright looks. This one is full base, soft, comfortable, fully weaving design, full base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one, elegant looks, bright one, based for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving work, self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also very gorgeous one, based for your party wear, tissue linen material with Yolis golden shade with white golden zari border and beautiful embroidery work. And this one full base part, Yolis golden shade. And this one border portions, golden zari border and silver zari highlighted weaving temple pattern, fine temple pattern weaving design lines on border part. And this one pallu, fully golden white patch pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, bright look. This one is border portions, white border, golden zari white border, silver zari highlighted lines, and beautiful embroidery floral work. Nice one, soft, comfortable one, based for your party wear, have shiny material with beautiful weaving embroidery work, floral. And this one is border, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, bright, smart, gorgeous looks. Very beautiful and elegant color combination. This one is actually zari linen weaving, silver zari border, premium quality zari with linen weaving, and beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is full base part, have shine but very elegant looks, silver zari border. This one is silver zari border, and this one full base part, beautiful zari with linen weaving with buta work, golden and silver zari hand weaving buta, very smart, elegant looks, exclusive collection. This one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden and silver zari hand weaving work pallu, very beautiful one, soft, comfortable zari with linen weaving, zari linen but very soft one, smart looks, elegant one. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, have silver sign, silver zari with linen weaving, silver zari border. And this one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh, trendy and elegant looks. And this one also most trendy one, full base part is plain premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen, full base part is plain beautiful color with pom-pom design pallu in, very smart trendy looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very bright fresh one. This one full base part, premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen base with beautiful pallu and is beautiful pom-pom design, very smart looks. And full base part is same plain premium quality linen by linen. This one is full base, very nice and soft, comfortable, smart, bright, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, dark bottle green shade with beautiful contrast color weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, and base is premium quality cotton silk material. And this one full base part, This one is border portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work, contrast color threaded weaving jamdani work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very smart, trendy looks, soft, comfortable. Also this one is running blouse piece, and full base part is same border, same weaving buta, full base part, very smart looks. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu part also very beautiful one, highlighted contrast color stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu. It is soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. Then a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen silver shiny material, silver zari border and full border portions, you know, beautiful embroidery work. Let me open this one, you know, full base part, soft one, premium and beautiful color combinations have sign also, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen. And this one, you know, border portions, beautiful fine embroidery work border, very smart looks have sign also. This one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari patch pallu and full border portions is beautiful embroidery work. And full base part also buta embroidery. And this one is silver zari border, have silver sign, purple base and full base part is same work, very nice on, trendy, smart, bright looks, based for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, outstanding, smart looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, of white base. This one also zari linen weaving, golden zari border and off white with golden shade weaving design, zari linen weaving base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani floral buta. This one is golden zari border and full base part is zari with linen weaving. And this one is floral buta, fully hand weaving jamdani floral. And this one is full base part, golden shade shiny material with beautiful elegant looks, very nice one. This one is contrast color piping, golden zari border and full base part is zari linen weaving. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very beautiful one, golden zari highlighted stripes with beautiful hand weaving floral jamdani work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks, zari linen base with hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, traditional looks, very elegant one. And this one also, you know, very beautiful color combinations, you know, pure matka base jamdani work, golden zari border. This one, you know, full base part and beautiful color combinations, pure handloom matka with golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work and full base part is weaving polka design, very nice on, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant party looks. And this one, you know, muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work and pallu end is fine golden zari stripes, very beautiful one. This one is pure muslin base, pallu end with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work and base is matka. This one is pallu end is muslin with jamdani and base is pure handloom matka base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work and full base part is, you know, golden zari weaving polka design. This one is base part weaving polka and this one is border, very nice and bright looks. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart and traditional looks. Then a very beautiful one, very smart look, semi georgette base with Banarasi weaving work, very nice one. Full base part is beautiful leheria pattern work, fully zari weaving leheria pattern. And this one, you know, border portions contrast color dye border with fine weaving Banarasi work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful leheria pattern, full base, very smart looks. And this one, you know, pallu part, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful weaving buta design, very beautiful one, bright looks, Banarasi weaving work pallu, and this one border portions, very smart trendy looks, beautiful weaving design, contrast color threaded weaving design, heavy worked border, contrast color dye with fine weaving design, and this one is full base part, beautiful area pattern, full base part, very smart elegant looks, bright one, fancy looks also. This one full base part, and this one is a running blouse piece, border work, and this one is full base part, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. And this one very traditional one and very elegant color combinations also, grey, steel grey shade with golden zari border, and base part is matka base, and beautiful weaving design pallu. This one is full base part, matka base, golden zari border, premium quality matka with golden zari border, and full base part is plain, very soft one, smart looks, elegant one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one pallu part. Pallu is very beautiful one, pure muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is fully hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, elegant, smart looks. Full base part is matka base, plain golden zari border, and this one is muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very beautiful, elegant, smart color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material work, butta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also very bright one, based for your party wear, elegant party wear. Premium quality, pure handloom linen by cotton weaving with beautiful Banarasi work, fully hand weaving Banarasi design. This one full base part, bright color combinations. This one is border portions, fine hand weaving, golden zari weaving border, Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, golden zari weaving butta, full base, and bright maroon, reddish maroon shade. And this one pallu part, beautiful one, very gorgeous looks also, fully hand weaving, heavy worked pallu, and soft, comfortable also. This one is full base part, pallu part, and this one full base with butta work, golden zari weaving, hand weaving butta, and this one border portions, highlighted golden zari with hand weaving Banarasi work, heavy worked border. This one is border, and this one is full base, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material butta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. Very beautiful one, soft silk material with Banarasi work, very nice one, and elegant color combinations. This one full base part, very soft one, soft silk with heavy Banarasi work. This one border portions, contrast color border, silver zari weaving Banarasi work, contrast color dye border with silver zari fine weaving border, Banarasi border, and this one is full base part, beautiful silver zari weaving butta design, very smart looks. This one pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with fine silver zari, heavy weaving Banarasi work pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, border work, running blouse piece, and this one full base part, bright color combinations, bright yellow shade, mustard yellow shade, contrast color dye border, very smart, elegant, bright, fresh looks, based for your party wear, soft silk with Banarasi work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, based for your party wear, fully hand work, hand mirror embroidery design, sorry, base is tissue silk, pure handloom tissue silk golden shade with beautiful embroidery design, very nice one, mirror embroidery, contrast color piping, and this one full base part, beautiful mirror embroidery work. This one is pallu in contrast color with beautiful mirror embroidery design work, fully designer piece design work pallu, very nice one, bright looks, best for your outstanding party wear. And this one full base part tissue silk with beautiful embroidery design, very nice one. This one is full base part embroidery work, embroidery mirror work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, golden shade tissue silk, have shiny material with mirror design, very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. Very beautiful smart looks, very lightweight, also premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material with beautiful ikat design, very smart one, beautiful trendy looks. This one full base part, this one is border portions, fully golden zari fine weaving design jamdani work. This one is border, this one is full base part, middle portion is ikat, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton base. And this one beautiful weaving buta design. This one is split section, this one is pleats, beautiful buta work, fully hand weaving buta design. This one is split section, and this one is upper base part, fully weaving jamdani work, middle portion is ikat, and this one pallu and fully hand weaving heavy jamdani work pallu, silk cotton material, fine material with beautiful weaving work, very nice one, smart bright looks, very elegant also. This one is beautiful weaving design, soft one, silk cotton material, very lightweight also. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. And this one also very trendy one, smart looks. Premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, layen by layen, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful leheria pattern batik printed one. This one is full base part, fully hand batik printed one, leheria pattern printed batik printed. This one is golden zari border, and this one is full base part, natural fabric, layen by layen, very smart trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful stripes pattern pallu, golden zari highlighted stripes with beautiful stripes pattern batik printed stripes pallu, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part is leheria pattern batik printed one, very trendy looks, golden zari border, and this one is pallu. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart looks. And this one also beautiful one, very elegant color combinations, premium quality pure handloom, fine layen by layen, silver zari border and with beautiful badhni buta, sivori badhni printed one, very smart looks. Silver zari border, and this one full base part, beautiful badhni printed one, sivori badhni printed, and this one is pallu portion, silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart bright elegant looks, fresh one, and beautiful color combinations. Middle portion is sivori printed, and this one is badhni buta printed one, very trendy one, fine layen by layen. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part and silver zari border. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. Very beautiful smart and elegant color combinations, cotton slab material, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful embroidery buta, embroidery mirror design with batik printed buta work. This one full base part, very soft comfortable cotton slab material, silver zari border, and full border portions, beautiful hand batik printed one with beautiful mirror design, very nice one, fully elegant looks. This one, pallu portions fully hand batik printed with beautiful mirror design, mirror embroidery work. Pallu very smart, elegant looks and elegant color combinations. Also this one, full base part, very beautiful one, soft, comfortable. This one is full base, very nice one, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very beautiful, trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks, very elegant one. And today I have dipped a beautiful color saree, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with Banarasi work. This one, contrast color border, base is fresh yellow with beautiful Banarasi weaving buta, heavy work. And this one, contrast color black shaded dye border with beautiful hand weaving Banarasi work, heavy worked border. And base part is fresh yellow shade, golden saree weaving buta work, Banarasi buta. And this one is highlighted border, beautiful one. And this one is pallu, fully golden saree, fine heavy weaving Banarasi work, pallu, very nice work. And this one is border, and full base part is weaving buta design, yellow, bright beautiful yellow shade, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.